Hi everyone, in this video we'll be going through an introduction to Box and Whiskers, and it's based on the ungrouped data set from our previous video, right? So what we can notice here is that we already have our Q1, our Q2 and our Q3. Of course, we also have our minimum and maximum. All these are the 5 points that you ever need. So let's write down here, the 5 points you need for Box and Whiskers are minimum, Q1, lower quartile, Q2, your median, Q3, your upper quartile, and your maximum. All these 5 points will allow you to present your Box and Whiskers. Okay, so what we have here before we put in the values is that there's a portion to the left, and these are our whiskers, or you can refer to as a whiskers, and a whisker here as well. Now, of course, the middle section is what we refer to as a box. That's why this way of presenting is our Box and Whiskers. And you can see our 5 different values here. You have our minimum, you have our Q1, Q2, and this is our Q3, followed by our maximum. And in fact, the line should be accurate in this case where I do it proportionally. So this is our minimum, we put 3 here, and we put our Q1, median, upper quartile, which is your Q3, and of course your maximum. Okay, so once you have done this, you have completed your Box and Whiskers. Few things you need to take note of here, right? Firstly, this is what we refer to as the bottom 25th percent, 0 to 25th percentile. So this is where the 25% of the data is at, and this is the top 25% as well. And each section from the low quartile to the median is also the next 25% of the data set. So forth as well, and this is the next 25%. So what is interesting here is that from the minimum to the lower quartile, we have 25% of the population, so on and so forth, like what we are shown here, right? Of course, it's more accurate if, let's say, you're using a cumulative frequency curve, but this is what we can get from an ungrouped data set, right? And also, you need to notice that there are 13 items here, and 14 taken in the middle position means that it's not actually 25%, but generally, this is what a Box and Whiskers should represent when you have it displayed as such, right? Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.